Okay, guys. Earlier in the group, I did mention that I was working on something. So there's a generous gentleman in the group who just earlier on, actually, he bought me what is this? Shit, that was some brain freeze. He bought me a voucher earlier on, and then he came back later on some tips, right? He was like, I can see your predictions are good. I think you might want to like use this how to like take the chance of you winning. And I did that. And look at this, Oriente one. So he showed me this around 10. Yeah, to 10. So the only team that was left was Oriente, and I went with it. Look at the odds, guys. 4.75, and the odds for Club Aurora, I think it was 1.63. They were so low. So like on a normal day, I could have went with Club Aurora because of the odds. Okay, but you know I don't just do that. You guys know that I just don't do that. I actually like analyze thoroughly. So cool. I did my analysis and I saw that okay, this club has this. Yeah, it actually has like chances of winning, and I went with it. And look at this, it won. So I did pick up some teams for you guys. To do a safe sleep tomorrow, okay? So I don't know, I'm not saying it's gonna happen, but guys, this can be a game changer. So I went on and bet with 30 rands for this. So as we can see, the head-to-head of Ajax, like it has been winning the whole time, right? And understanding is number 2. Though it's playing away, but we have three reasons why we're saying it's going to win. The third reason is the fact that it's home. So that's gonna be our third reason for us to say Ajax. Né? That is number 1. And then number 2, it's this one. Okay, so here we're going to go with the away team. Né? Reason being, guys. When you go to standings, it's number 4 on the table, right? It's number 4, and the game it's playing against is number 10, and then it's like 10 points difference, like 27 and 17. That's why we're going with the away team right now, right? So yeah, I can't say much about head-to-head because literally this was the last time they played was 2019. So we're gonna go ahead and say Padova is gonna take the match. I hope I'm not too low. Like, it's literally 2 in the morning and I don't want to make like noise, and I'm tired as well. I want to push this so that in the morning I just post it. I don't have to like wake up and make a sleep. I just want to wake up and post it. Okay, so yeah, the third reason is that it has less odds, right? But it's about to get tricky. Which one should I choose first? Okay, already went with this one. Let's see. Torpedo. Okay, so Torpedo, as you can see, right, it's home. That is number 1. And then looking at the odds, it has 1.60 odds. That is point number 2. And then look at the last matches, right? The last match they played on the 17th, they drew, and they drew with three goals, right? And then on the 13th, they drew again with 1-1, right? Fine, here they beat them because they were away, but look again when they were home. They actually won when they were home. So look at SKA when it's away. They always beat them. The only time it's when it's home. So this whole time when it's away, they beat them. But Torpedo actually plays well even when they're away, right? So that's why we're going to go ahead and give it a straight win. And again, look, the last time it was playing, it was actually away. And it won. So that's why we're going to go ahead and give Torpedo a straight win. We're going to give it a straight win. Wait, I don't want to make mistakes. Yeah. So that's about it, guys. Those ads up until it at least gets to three odds. So we're starting over the 21k challenge. We're starting it over, guys, and this time around we're coming really hard. Well, here we would give Vaco a straight win because it's home, but the team that is playing against it also plays. And then looking at Newcastle, okay, now that's about it. Those 3, they give you 3 odds. So yes, guys, let's start this thing over. Let's start it over. And yeah, good luck. If you're not in the WhatsApp group, I would leave the link in the description. And another thing is, I'm not going to be making a risky sleep today. So this is the only sleep I'm making today. And then, yeah, I'll be working on Monday's sleep already. I'm excited about this, guys. I hope it goes well for us, honestly. But yeah, let's get to it. And yeah, returning subscribers, thank you, guys. If you are new, please do subscribe and like our video. And for people who are always late for videos, I think it's best when you get into the group, just go to the group so that you are early, because every time when I drop a video, I take the link and post it in the group same time, so you won't have to be late. And like I said, don't worry, I'm the only person who sends messages, so you don't have to worry about being crowded by your phone, being crowded by messages and all. It's chilled in there. I'm the only person who sends messages. Okay, guys, I'm tired, so I'm out. I'll see you guys later today when I post the video.